I
What's up,
need your
everybody? Josh Skipper
love,
here
I
on my
need
secondary
your
channel. I don't know why
time.
my other
Everything's
channel is
wrong,
kind
you
of little
make it
got this
right.
mark
I
or something,
feel
got
so
disabled or
high,
something.
I
So
come
no strikes.
alive. I
I'm just
need
doing
to
these on
be
my
free.
secondary channel instead of my original channel. So I would say thank you for all those supporters who helped me over the week. And question why I've not been uploading videos or blogs, because I've been so super busy making these new videos. So I will keep y'all dead. Hurricane season 2022 is kind of still a little smoothly. We got 78 more months. 70, probably now 78 days left for the hurricane season of 2022. So guys, I am Josh Giver here on my secondary channel. This subscribe and notifications. I will catch y'all on the flip side. Take care, everybody, and stay cool.